Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to fix your fan speed switch on a 1999 Jeep Wrangler. So let's go ahead and get started. So actually before we get started I wanted to show you what it was like. So normally you blow out your lowest speed, then your second, then your third, and usually fourth stays. Mine for some reason my first blew out, second works, third doesn't, fourth works. So anyways, we're going to need to replace the fan speed switch behind that. So let's go ahead and get this all ripped off so we can get to that. Now the first thing you'll want to do is remove this piece of plastic here. We got some bolts under here. We got to remove like this whole apparatus here. All of this plastic has to pop off to get back here. Now you can use a screwdriver or something metal, some type of metal spatula. It'd be preferred if you use plastic on plastic, that way you're less likely to break it. But basically, you just gotta pop this up. It goes along the whole dash here. I mean, it's a Jeep Wrangler, so these things are pretty trash, so up to you, but you're not gonna create any issues if you use a plastic like I am. So once you get this plastic off, back here I already took them off. There's two Phillips screws right here and here that come off. And then you have your little ashtray here. If you push this in, it'll let you pull it out. Then you have one more, you can barely see it. One more Phillips right there that you need to take out. And then this whole plastic here just pops right off once that's off. So go ahead and do that next. Now, with this off, basically it's just these 4 screws right here that you take out, and this whole thing pops out for you. So this is your fan speed switch control here. You're just going to unplug the wires from it. And then I have a link in the description for the part that I'm going to replace. So go ahead and disconnect this next. Well, I think I found my problem. Sometimes when you take these off, you can see they're all burned up or not even connected anymore. You can kind of see mine. That bottom left out of the 5 prongs there is all melted, so I think I might pop this open. To get it off, by the way, you just pinch these 2 sides. Looks like I can pop mine open, so I'm going to pop these open and see if there might just be plastic that is preventing the connection there. So let's go ahead and open that up and see what we got. So you have to do quite some finagling to get that piece off. I'm going to go ahead and test it. You can still watch this video because this might still work for you. I'm going to go ahead and test my new piece and see if it works. But to get your little piece off here, you have to do 2 things. Mine, some people I saw could just grip onto it and rip it off. Mine, your fingers just slip right off. I don't know. I didn't look close enough for everyone else's, but mine has a little lip here on both sides that allowed me to get like a screwdriver or something under it in order to pop it up, and I was able to finally get under this edge here and pop it off. But this piece still doesn't come out that easy because it still has the knob part here that sticks through. So what I had to do was take a screwdriver and pry off here, here, and here, just enough, just popped it off a little bit. I was able to push this through and pop it out because it has this little lip here that catches in that bracket. So go ahead and pop this out, compare it to the new piece, make sure that all the pieces look exactly the same, make sure that it's going to fit. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in, turn my key, see if it works, and see if hopefully I don't have to replace this piece. I might have to, but we'll see. Forgot to mention, you have a 1/4 millimeter little bolt right here that needs to come out in order to get this piece off. So to test it, I don't even have to pop it all back in. I can just plug it in, and it's working. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 1. So it's working. I'm assuming that little burnout was why it wasn't working. But it has a good enough connection that it's going to work for me. So I'm going to go ahead and just put everything back together, just how I took it apart. So anyways, that is how you replace the fan switch on a 1999 Jeep Wrangler. So hopefully this was helpful, and thanks for watching.